Hey, hello Tina. I hope you're having a great week. I just wanted to again use Screencast-O-Matic here to go through your lesson outline. And I'd encourage you to try at least experiment with this tool. There are lots of different screencasting tools out there, but I think Screencast-O-Matic is one of the easiest ones to use. And I like this tool. My students really like to get feedback in this way. Um, and it's I've found a really efficient way to actually provide feedback rather than typing out feedback through the assignment comments. The really nice thing about this is that you can point to certain areas of a paper or presentation that's been submitted through Canvas as you're talking, so it helps students identify what areas they might need to work on. So hope you give it a shot. I think it also tends to humanize the course a little bit and that students can hear your voice and to know that there's somebody on the other side of the screen that's kind of personalizing the feedback to them. So I hope you give it a try if you get a chance. But again, thanks for your work on the lesson outline. I see that you've clearly listed your outcomes. You have resources in the form of text and PowerPoints, videos. I like the way you've kind of layered the resources to where it's not just all from the textbook. You've got Adobe Spark videos. You've just got different looks like resources they're going to be accessing on the web. And I think anytime you can layer the resources and even layer the forms of engagement in a lesson, it's just going to create more opportunities for students to get the material and to learn. Much more engaging. So I see that you've got a case study here, a collaboration project, lots of different things going on. And again, lots of different ways students are going to be interacting and learning from each other, learning from the materials that they're reading, etc. The discussion forum obviously is something within an online course that it's at its core is a really good engagement tool. So thanks for including that. But I really like, again, the way you've layered the resources and engagement pieces here. And then also in the assessment, you're assessing them and through various means, through some of the engagement opportunities that you provided. So looks like you're going to assess the discussion, obviously, the case study, which they'll be doing by themselves or independently, and then a collaboration project. Looks like you've got all the bases covered here. Student to content, student to student through to discussion and the collaboration. So I really like again, how you've kind of structured this to get where you need to be to meet the outcomes or to have the students meet the outcome for this lesson. So feel free to change anything along the way. I'm not going to be grading your final lesson based on what you have here. So if you find that discussions, all of these things are too much, you can remove them, you can add to them. Do whatever you need to do to complete your final demo lesson. But looks like you've got a great solid start here, and look forward to seeing this come together in your demo course. But let me know if you have any questions.